This T-Maxx glow fuel truck has been standing around for about 15 years, and I think I might have screwed up big time, but we're going to find out. This is what I did wrong. I've left all the batteries in it, all my own fault, and this looks ugly. I don't know if we can save this or not, but I'm going to try some new batteries. I suspect the problem may have gone inside. Yeah, that switch doesn't feel right and it's not working. Well, I might as well rip it to bits now. It's even corroded some of the wires. Nah, this is not worth even looking at. Let's concentrate on the truck. I need to find another plan for the radio control. So I don't even know if it runs. It was kept in really near the roof of a shed, so it's been in a very hot place during the summers, which probably hasn't done it any good. So I'm just pointing out the parts where the receivers, batteries, these are the servos, and this is the fuel, the throttle and a brake. This is a brake, a disc brake. This is a gear, to put it into reverse gear. There's the exhaust. That's the engine, glow fuel engine. Carburetor. This is the starting motor. And then the fuel tank. So let's see what ugly things we've got here. That's the gearbox, that part. Well, that runs, but that's on a clutch. So I'm not quite sure. I'm just taking the glow plug out now. Have a look and see what's inside. What I'm trying to do is try to move the piston and it won't move. But I don't think it's seized. I think it's basically the oil in the fuel has got cooked and it's just, let's say, blocked the piston up a little bit. Yeah, the carburetor works okay. Now I've just got to basically dismantle it all. I don't know if I've got another problem with these batteries either. These batteries look to be more or less okay, but they're not so corroded as the other ones for some reason. Funny thing about all this is that I bought it for my children and now I'm repairing it for my grandchildren. This is the receiver, so that's got to be basically changed. Get the fuel tank out. I'd say this car's about 25 years old. Remove the exhaust pipe. A bit more oil there in the cylinder. Basically I've got the engine out now and I can start to get some movement on it now. I've got a bit more purchase on that wheel. No, it's going okay. That's all right. It's not. It was never seized up. Ah, that doesn't work. What a surprise. Let me just check and see if we've got some voltage there. Yeah, we do. We've got voltage. That means it's probably just a poor connection. Most of it's just corroded away. Ah, yeah. Now we've got it working. That's another thing less. Just give the engine a bit of a clean up. Now I'm just putting the cylinder head back on and trying to, refixing the engine again back into the car. Now, I spoke with Mr. Bezos and he sold me this, which I thought was okay. Now we don't need those. Yeah, you can see the receiver is absolutely tiny compared to the one that I've just taken out. That's technology for you, I guess. I broke this. This is the gasket that goes on the exhaust pipe, and I laser cut a new one out of cork. I'm sure it'll work just as well. So that can all go back together. Yeah, I put the fuel tank back in. Well, we're not far away now from giving it a try, I don't think. Got some brand new fuel. Look, and that all works okay. I didn't even need to change the servos, it worked alright. So we're priming the fuel with that little pump. Oh, there's the glow plug heater on there, and we'll crank it over and see if it runs. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Because it nearly went first time. I've just taken it outside now, giving it another crank up, and we'll see if it actually runs. Please like and subscribe, and any comments are always most welcome. Many thanks. Well, it does. Well, that's not bad. It goes well as well. Oh, hello. Not sure about this. Yeah, I'm just going to run it on some close to a big beach car park where it will, well, I can run it on gravel. But this is okay for the first test. There we go, this is the last test on gravel, and I'm absolutely delighted. After a 15-year sleeping, this is how it runs. Look at that. Many thanks for watching the video. I'm glad, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed restoring it and getting it working